Top Squad.
Nowadays, nigga change on the game, switch lanes, then come and try to hang with us. You can hang really with this shit on that snake shit, fake ass nigga, that ain't what's up. Kiss a nigga, that ain't what's up. Oh no. Nowadays, nigga change for the fame, nigga switch on that game, then come try to hang with us. He was just rich 2 years ago, not a nigga in the middle of the road on angel dust. We ain't had shit, we was on our dick, and them hoes ain't even really wanna hang with us. Nigga switch on snake shit, fake shit, hell nah, pussy that nigga, that ain't what's up. Nigga fucking with the crew, say he really with the shit, hell nah, we a clique full of murderers. Don't trust my nigga really creep, they slime and they will murder ya. Nigga saying that he body bag and toe taking shit, fuck nigga, but we ain't never heard of ya. You can keep all the store to yourself, fuck nigga, you ain't known that shit, we never heard of ya. Pussy jit, we ain't heard of ya. Fuck nigga, we ain't heard of ya. Fuck nigga, we ain't heard of ya. Click for the murder, nigga, we ain't heard of ya.
I got a new bitch for the summer, they wait for the bus and they throw me right under my watching. But guess I don't know what's exactly the price, but it cost me way over 100. Bro had the drink, I had thought it was soda. I sipped it and felt like I was in a coma. I'm covered in water, I need me a floater. She sucking my dick and I don't even know her. My guys, right, you fight, I fight, I'm fly, you're fly. My guys, my guys fight. If I fight, kill, stab, die. I try too many times, I cry too many times.
Nigga, watch who you play with. Before I catch you premeditated. Got a lot of niggas dead and I still see their faces. I'm a rap star, I could've been a mental patient. Hit you with the bag and you still ain't paid me. You must want a nigga come and do you like a stranger. I ain't even tripping, money older than a pager. Niggas see you shine and forget you really dangerous. They won't let you help them. They gon' make you nail them. My nigga got life, he call every day, I don't know what to tell him. We gon' get more time than murder, they catch us with this shit we sellin'. Y'all went from high school to college, we went from babies to felons, nigga. I done really survived everything these streets offer. I've been through the mud, almost gave up. I done survived everything these streets offer. I've been caged up, I done dodged them slugs.
I got a 9 hour, I got a 9 hour, I got a 9 hour fly. I got a 9 hour, I got a 9 hour fly. Load up the cage, load up the carbon, this shit is off the dome. D caught a body, truck caught a body, my niggas ain't coming home. I know that little truck coming home, but they get little deep 50 years. His mama keep crying them tears, his mama keep crying them tears. It's a Draco in the back of the car and the police is behind you. Better do what you do, better run up. Skirt, 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 boy you better run. Lil' Melly coming for you and he strapped up with the gun. Anaconda in your circle and you don't even know. They tryna snake you, take your money, but they claim that you broke. And where was she when a young nigga was so damn broke? And where was she when a nigga ain't had no hope? Dirty matches, yeah, slack. Many pussy niggas actin'. Hell nah, ain't no lacking.